There's a technique that Squatch 253 talked about, and it was beveling these brass plates. Now some of these got a little warm. When I got into it, the oil, I can barely feel anything. There's no lip there. Maybe a couple of thousandths. Where most of this is on the edges. Right here. This edge and this edge on all of them. I'm going to take a file and kind of knock them down. Before I bevel these, I may sand them. Just get 1,000 grit or something. 400 grit. Just to rough them up. Let's see, you're back. Okay. I took some time and filed those down along the edges. That's where they slam back and forth, probably due to the viscous drag, and so I had to take the little ends down, and as you can see there's still a little bit of, but that's fine. I just took the glaze off so that it'll catch on them. And then what we're going to do is we're going to take and put this in here. I was going to take this here, but I really don't have a good way of, I guess that would work. However I'm going to do it, I'm going to do them all the same. And this, I think I can hit, whoa, I'll be back. I just had another thought. Now, see how that's got a bevel on that. Now, I don't want to repeat the bevel, but I want to get it started. So what I was going to do is I was going to stick that down in there. And what I'll do is I'll just stick that right there. And we only want about 20 thousandths. So I'm going to hold that right there. Good. Shit, that's good. What I'm doing is I'm cutting down the viscous drag So when they pull apart, or when you let the pressure of them, they'll pull apart, and it'll cut down the viscous drag, and they'll slip. So that one's done. Squanch does a really good Squatch 253, like Sasquatch. He does a lot of the stuff on these old Caterpillar style pony motors. They're pretty much all the same, and a lot of the technology, the governors, and same principles. Oh, that one didn't even move. Moved that time, didn't it? Yeah, but it only got about 5 thousandths out of it. Reach for the sky. I think I'm gonna have to get serious with this one. This is about 10. So. I get nothing. That one must have a belt. Apparently, I need a new pin. This thing can't be out. I just bought it. Dun 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 dun. Eatin' doo doo.
Well, that would be dogo doggone it, you know. Doggone it, you know. Okay. Let me take these. Okay, now these. And here's all these got the same way.
Show you guys here in a second. Yep. You see the gaps. Oops. You see the gaps here. That's so I need to bend that one some more. And Oops, I got this one on the wrong side. Let's see. This one has a good gap. That's a little more than 20. That's about 20 there. That's about 10 there. So just a little bit more on this one. And then we'll go check the throw on it. If there's a mistake to be made, right here it is. Okay, there we go. And come on back now here. Same bat time, same bat channel.
I'm sorry. I'm not in my coffin right now. But if you leave your name and number, I'll bite you right back.